It's so peaceful out here. Anyways, there's a new teaspoon that they just opened here in the Tri-Valley. So let's go check it out. Ooh, I thought it almost didn't start for a second. That would have been bad. Had me concerned. Alright, let's get some boba. So now it's way more enjoyable to drive this car because I don't have to hunch. I'm sitting straight up. And it's the perfect time of day. The sun's going down a little bit. Going for a drive, kind of clear your mind after a stressful day at work. Some gears. You guys can come along for a ride. Weather is perfect. It was like 90 today, and then now it's just, you know, that perfect summer night weather. Not too hot, but still kind of cozy. It's really good because it's funny. The AC in this thing broke again. Like, it turns on, but the air is not cold because the compressor is shot. So I'll have to deal with that. Hope you guys can see the view a lot better. The last time I made a video with the head cam, it was a lot of, all you saw was the top of the car. So I hope you can actually see the road this time, now that I'm sitting a few inches lower. Gotta let her eat a little bit. This road is so bumpy. Ooh. Super bumpy road. But it does feel nice just to hard to heel toe in this thing. It's like no space for my knee to shift over. See, it's like hitting right here. Ooh. Not gonna go too fast on this road. It's really bumpy and a lot of dips. I'll be scraping everywhere. Curious where this road's gonna dump me off of, because I have no idea. There we go. Wonder if I can turn around here. Secured the bag and check out the FD. Time for the real test. See if it's good from this new spot. Here we go. Alright, I passed the test. It is good. No watered down toffee taste. And the boba's still good. Surprisingly, it's only like, it's like almost closing time, so. And the boba's still good. Usually boba places, sometimes they'll get a little bit sloppy towards the end. Those like two balls stuck together. Anyways, that's all the updates for tonight. Got my boba, got the teaspoon, seat's working good, car's running good. Just a little hot, might have to tackle the AC problem again. And yeah, maybe time to make some Z videos, who knows. Alright, let me know if you guys enjoyed the head cam footage this time, should be a lot better. Alright, catch you guys next time. Okay, so funny thing. As I was pulling out of the parking spot, and then I was going over and I didn't see there was a speed bump, so I kind of went over it fast. I think it knocked off the muffler, like the V-band, because suddenly it got super loud and it's like dragging on the ground. So I'm gonna go check out what exactly happened. I just pulled over to the side. I got like 10 feet. I mean, you can see teaspoons right there still. Hope it's not too bad. Alright, oh boy. Whole V-band fell out. Interesting, can you guys see that? Oh man, that's great. Okay, well, maybe it's time to it was time to call some friends, see if they could bring me some tools or just pull the whole exhaust off and deal with it at home. Maybe I'll do the second, but the exhaust is going to be hot right now. So I gotta look for if I have some gloves in the car. And then try to yank this thing out. Okay, I just yanked out the exhaust. Hilarious. Wow. All I wanted was some boba. And then I got a quick release muffler out of this. Wow. Thanks. Thanks, guys. Alright. That's fun. Just gotta get the V-band off of here too. Yeah, not sure what happened. Seems a little out of round, but it's all there. Maybe just didn't have enough teeth, or oh, looks kind of smacked up right here. Ugh. At least I got my boba today, right? Well, Now with no muffler, I gotta drive home all hella loud. So let's hear how this thing is with no muffler on. Let's see. Ooh, lots of bass. Lots of bass. Alright, wish me luck. Hope I get home with no issues.